We're gonna give Chris a morning surprise. He's in the shower.
Try turning it on, see if it...
Nope.
Maybe you can't unlock it.
Yeah. Okay, well we couldn't unlock the door, so I'm gonna stand right inside the bedroom. And I've got the air horn, and when he comes around the corner, I'm gonna surprise him.
Jesus Christ almighty.
Yes! Ah, it worked!
How long have you been waiting up here for? 30 minutes?
No, like less than 10 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Less than 10?
Me and Dad tried getting into the bathroom.
I noticed that.
What?
Yeah, I noticed that.
How?
Because I was thinking about the air horn.
What?
In the bathtub. I was thinking about the air horn in the bathtub. And look, I did this.
What?
I'm in the bathtub. And I go like this. I go. And I look at the doorknob. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. I looked at the doorknob. And when I did it, I remember doing it all the way like that.
Okay.
And it was like that. It was kind of.
What?
It was turned. Yeah.
Okay, because we could not get in. We couldn't do it.
Man. I knew I should have been more on my toes than that.
I love air horns.
That's cool.
I know.
You.
He's being so cute right now.
I'm at work.
Yep.
This is my office.
Hanging out with Granny.
Come to my office.
Hey, Booker.
Yeah.
Mama got.
What are you looking at? You gonna eat some barbecue? We're at the yummy barbecue place. You gonna eat some barbecue?
You want a little water?
Yeah. A baked potato.
That's the size of my dog.
What'd you get? I know, it probably weighs 7 pounds too.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Ooh, those mashed potatoes look good. And you got pulled pork and...
Working a little brisket.
Oh my gosh. And that is mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Okay.
World famous.
Meow. No? No again? Hey, meow. Everywhere, meow, meow.
McDonald had a farm.
No?
Yeah,
He
on
didn't?
his farm he had a pig.
He didn't?
Yeah, with a wink wink here and a wink wink there. Here, wink there, wink there, here, and wink wink. Old McDonald had a farm. Yeah. And on his farm he had a cow. Yeah, with a moo moo there, with a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Yes. Yes. Old McDonald had a farm. Yeah. And on his farm he had a chicken.
Chicken
nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
With cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there. Here, cluck there, cluck everywhere, cluck cluck.
That's the cutest thing ever.
Here and bad there. Here bad, there bad, everywhere bad.
He is back here shaking his head at everything. It's so funny.
Old McDonald had a farm.
What's that? What's a buh?
What kind of crazy sound was that?
Buh.
No. Are you gonna sing it now?
This is so pretty. This is where we stayed last year. Sand is white as white.
There's selfie. Selfie in the sun.
Selfie in the sun.
Did you get it?
Are you going to take a picture?
Oh, did you not?
Mm-mm. We're at the arcade. Got to play some skee-ball.
What's up, boy? Jaxon.
A little bit harder. watching Daddy.
Oh. Look at you. Oh, you almost did it.
You gotta stay away from it.
Oh, slow.
Oh, nice.
Slow-mo. Ooh.
I'm slick. Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at those tickets, Jaxon. Mama's a ninja. Yeah. Hey.
Fortune. The category is a phrase. You get 3 spins.
5. No. Dad's getting it. Yeah. Let's show everybody what you got at the arcade, your toys. What'd you get? He's pooping. Hey, Jaxon, come look at Chicken Nugget.
I used to do it. You could do it on your. What you got there?
What in the? A whole bottle of wine?
That's a 40. Edward 40 hands.
Well, our little poppy thing that we got. What's
Right
the
here.
pop thing?
Right here.
It just doesn't work. Whoa!
Out of control.
Well, it doesn't. He pooped, so it stinks over here. Woo-wee, son. Daddy got that one. Shoo!
Huh?
Shoo!
Daddy got what one?
Stinks.
Mama's got that one. It's even choking him up.
Your own poop is.
Your own.
It's,
Oh, his face is all
look at that.
big smiley.
It's his first sink bath.
Don't turn on the,
Woo, woo, woo. Oh, poor
Right in the
baby.
mouth.
he just got his little face under there
Yeah.
a little bit. He's alright.
Oh, don't let him.
Yeah, see? He's good.
He's gonna get squirred.
He's gonna, yeah,
He's gonna, yeah,
he's gonna go after Wendy with him.
You want some of
Puts
this?
his mouth on everything.
Gotta clean that little bone.
Stinky bomb.
Good soak.
No, no, sit down.